Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing another Dapper box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we are reviewing another Dapper box. For those of you who don't know, and I'll give you the information because I actually have it here. Basically, this is a subscription box for your pet. So the way that it works, it's a monthly one. You get treats, toys, bandanas, things like that. They all come in this super nicely packaged box here. And then let me see, you pick your plan so you can save up to $52, and all the information will be on my blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube, the information will be in the description box below and under the video. Your dog gets things. I love this one. I got one for review one time, I believe it was last year, and I took a pause on it because I had way too many subscription boxes, but obviously I'm back, so I wanted to give my pet a treat for this month. So usually what you get is you get 2 toys, 2 treat bags, 1 limited edition bandana, all curated each month. I believe last time was like a Christmas one for last Christmas. And they happy pup guarantee. So if you're not 100% satisfied, you can definitely let them know, and they'll ship you another item for free. I didn't even realize that. And then they show all these why our customers love this box. So you can see that there. Let me see any other information here. So that's it. So they have looks like they have a standard subscription box, which is $35.99. And the cool thing about this subscription is it asks for your dog size. It says extra large or small. Okay, extra small, and then small to medium, and then large. My dog is a large dog. So if you have a dog, you guys know that if you have a large dog especially, those dogs usually tend to tear up any toy that you give them. So we usually have to find those toys that are like chew proof, so they don't tear up the toy, you're not wasting money. That was one mistake I did when I first got my dog. I didn't know that, so I was just getting him any little cute toy and he would totally rip those up. This another thing here, you can cancel at any time, free shipping, 30-day money back guarantee, and each box helps dogs in shelters. So let me see, I like that. I didn't even realize that they do that. So customer reviews, awesome. And if you go on my blog or you go on my YouTube channel, you guys will see the last subscription box that I got. I loved it. So it was no surprise that I was going to grab this one. We wanted to kind of give him a special toy because it's been a while since we've gotten any subscription boxes for him. So let's check out what is in this box. So like I said, it comes in this box, and if you see there, the little dog box, little dog in the front. So let's see what came in this box here. And it says, and it's on the top, it says all you need is love and a dog. So you can hashtag that, and you can maybe share your stuff online. All right, so this is how the box comes in here. I believe they give you some create memories each month, and it gives you some information. You can skip a box, contact them. So that's what that is here. And I thought last time I got a description of everything that was in the box. Let me see if the website shows anything here as far as like a description of what's inside. No, it doesn't. All right, so we'll just go through the box together and just figure it out. So we'll start off with the bandana. So you got bandanas here. My kids tend to put these bandanas on my dog, and my dog is looking around like, what is this? So if you go to my Instagram just by my name, you can see the last time I got a Dapper box, and we used that bandana actually for Christmas. So you can see here, this is like a very palm tree-esque summertime look that he's gonna have, and then they're reversible, so that's cool. So this side, I guess a safari look is what he's gonna have as well. So that's one bandana. Let's see the other bandana here. Okay, so this one seems to be with the theme, the vibe of this month, which is Valentine's Day. So this is Valentine's week. I say Valentine's month, so he has some love there, some hearts, and then we have that as well. So it gave me an idea. So I'll put this up on Valentine's Day just to go with the theme. so we can show him some love. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys what he thought of his stuff, because I'm sure that's what you want to know. Would your dogs love it? And we have some toys. So like I told you guys, my dog is a heavy chewer, and that's one of the questions that they do ask. So you have a heart here, and this, you can't even, let me see so I can show you guys. You can't even press this in. This sucker, like if I threw this would totally break. So, well, not break, sorry. This would totally knock some stuff out. So this is very, very tough. And then the next thing here, another chew toy. Again, very, very tough. You see there, I can't even press on it. So that's cool. So this is definitely not something you want to throw around in your house, but this is something that your dog is not want to chew. So I'm definitely impressed with these toys here. And then the treats. So we'll go over the treats once my dog comes back. I put him in the room because he can get overwhelming when I'm recording these dog videos because he just can't help himself. Okay, so the first treat we have here is Exclusively Dog, a naturally delicious dog treat. This is Jerk Ease. This is barbecue chicken flavored chewy dog treats. So there's that, and it says no sugar added, wheat, corn, and soy free, natural ingredients, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, healthy alternative to traditional dog treats. So that's that. And then from the same, well, show you that. And then from the same company, these are cheese flavored chewy training treats. So there you go. Again, wheat, corn, and soy free, natural ingredients, 100% guaranteed. We're not really training him for anything, but I don't know about your dogs, but my dog, he likes any treat that we give him. So there's that. Okay, so let us do a recap and see what all came in this month's box. So we have the 2 bandanas that are very fashionable. So your dog will be strutting it out when you take him out for a walk. And then we also have the training treats. If you need that for your dog, those are perfect. And then we also have the regular jerkies. And then we have our 2 chew toys, which these are definitely strong. So that was definitely worth it. So that was everything that came in this box. Okay, so this is Mr. Jaxs. We're going to see how he likes his treat. So first I'm going to give him his training treat and see what he thinks about it. Taking a little time. I guess he's trying to figure himself out. And see what his deal is. What is he thinking? Hey, Jaxs, what are you thinking? How are we liking it? Good? Okay, he's digging it. I guess we got to show him some tricks here. Sit, sit, sit. Okay, so we got another one. See, he's attentive because he's been wanting this one. This is the big doozy. So let's see what he's thinking. He had to sit down for that one. And then once he's done, I will share his new toys with him and see what he's thinking. Oh, this one's going to take a while. I guess he's digging that. Yeah, that one's doable. So the ones he's eating right now are these. So those seem to take a little bit longer for him. And the first one I gave him, which he knocked out, were the training treats here. So this one seems to be perfect. I guess for if you have a large dog, these here are perfect because they take some time to chew. So there he is. And let's see what he's thinking about his toys. I don't think he knows what to do. Well, not know, but he's like, okay, what is the deal here? So, and there you go. So that is Jaxs. He's going to play with this. He usually takes his toys outside. So that's probably why he's like, wait a second, what am I supposed to do? But yeah, those are his toys. You want to go get it? Go get it. Go get it. That's an outdoor toy. All right, so that was Jaxs Experience with his Dapper Dog. You see he has his bandana there. He is good to go. And it's raining outside. It's a little cold, so we're not going to put that toy outside. But yeah, he got his stuff. See, he's ready to go outside. Okay, so like I said, these are like super good boxes. So if you're looking for like a subscription box for your dog that's not expensive, these are totally perfect. I had to pause the video because I had someone ring the bell. Those are always awkward moments, but it is what it is. That's what happens when you record at home, right? All right, so I've never tried any other subscription box before. This has always been the one that I've gone to, just because some of the subscription boxes are a little bit expensive. The reason why I like this one also is because you can skip it, you can cancel it at any time. So if this is not for you, you can just do it one time and then try to go for another one. So I'll have all the information for the Dapper Dog box underneath the video so you guys can check that out. But yeah, let me know in the description box. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried any subscription boxes before. I know there's like a couple. Well, I know a handful off the top of my head, but let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite subscription box for dogs before, for your pets. Have you tried any? Do you recommend them? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.